Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to unbox this, and this might be a very short video. I have no idea. This was sent to me by Pinchme.com. So me imagino, I think there are a bunch of free products in here, like samples. I'm gonna leave a link down below of their website and you can go ahead and see their webpage and see what they are all about. So let's open this one and see what they sent me this time. I hope that everything that is in here I can consume, because I have a couple of things that are stock consuming all together. So the first thing I see here is a coupon for cats food. Yeah, it's by the brand Fancy, it's Purina. The name is Fancy Feast Gourmet Naturals. They ask you if you have cats, if you have dogs, if you have kids. They ask everything about you. The next item that I see here is drops for dry eyes. It's by this brand Luminosity, Lumify, something like that. And the next thing that I see here is a deodorant. Yeah, it says take care of your body is the only place you have to live. It's by the brand Nave, and basically it's a promotion. It says that they sell it at Target. And let's see what they sent me. They also sent me here a gift card of $60, and this is for the HelloFresh. This is a dining subscription plan. So they sent me the drops. And let's see the drops, what they are. They're this tiny bottle, which is, I don't complain, I all about it. It says that it releases redness of the eye due to the minor eye irritation. So actually right now I have a minor eye irritation, but I'm not gonna put that out because I'm gonna start crying and my whole makeup is going to melt. So I will leave this for a time that I don't have makeup on. The next item that I see here is something for my kitty catty. This is a can and it's by the brand Purina, Fancy Feast, Gourmet Natural. Is a in which flavor is this? Salmon. So I definitely will be feeding my cat with this. He will be probably very happy with this. Next item that I have here is by the brand, that's the deodorant. So that's the Nave deodorant, and it has the scent of coconut and vanilla, and it smells like coconut. I don't feel the vanilla much, but I feel definitely the coconut. It's a very nice, cute one. I will definitely be keeping this in my purse, or maybe not my car because sometimes it gets too hot and it will melt, but definitely in my purse. Sometimes I just run out of the house. This is a thing that it has happened to me more than once. I run out of the house and I have not put on deodorant, and that is something that is not good. If you don't know, or some of you don't know, I live in Florida and it gets really hot in here. Like today, I haven't felt so hot today, but yesterday that I was almost all day outside, it was 80 degrees. It was so hot. And I mean, for some of you sounds like wonderful, but when you live here sometimes it's very annoying how humid and hot it gets in here. And take in mind, we don't get to wear those nice beautiful winter coats and all of those things. We don't get to wear that. I know you've probably been thinking, what are you talking about? Snow is horrible. It's such a difficult situation to deal with. I mean, to be honest with you, everybody enjoys what they enjoy, and when you have too much of something, you don't want it. When you have very little of it, you want it. So I want snow because I don't have it, and you probably want very humid and hot place because you don't have it. I don't think nobody really likes humid. I mean, I don't know, maybe that's the thing. I have no idea. Alright guys, I will give you a big thank you to Pinchme.com for sending me this box. They had no idea I'm making this video, but at the same time I am okay to saying thank you to anyone who sent me anything. I would like for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't just yet. Give a big thumbs up, make a comment to this video, let me know what do you think, if you're gonna try and pinch me, and if you are, tell me. If you are not, tell me why not. Why wouldn't you try such a nice little free little things that they say they're custom to you, like they know you are going to like it based on the answers that you gave them. So let me know in the comment down section. And also please, here I'm going to be having here the video that you two think you should watch, and here the video that I think you should watch after this one. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.